Hi! Today we're going to show you how you can use the user interface to create a virtual machine. You will see how you can order your own VM and have it ready in 4 simple steps. Let's start by pressing the New Machine button. The first step is to select the operating system for my VM. I can choose a system image from the official images list, or a public image from the images provided by other users. In case I want to use a public image, I should always make sure that it is from a trustworthy source. Here, I select the Debian desktop image. By clicking on Details, I can see detailed information about the selected image. When I'm done, I can move to the next step. On the second step, I can manually define the number of the CPU cores, the memory, and disk size, as well as the storage type of my VM. Or I can choose the power scale of my VM, small, medium, or large, and further change some of the characteristics, such as the disk size and the storage type. Let's continue to the next step. On the third step, I can personalize my VM. I'll call it My First VM. Let's go to the final step. At this step, there is a summary of my choices. I check them carefully as this is the last stage where I can change my mind about them. Clicking Previous lets me go back and correct them. When I am ready, I press the Create Machine button and my VM starts to build. The pop-up window shows a randomly generated machine password. This cannot be retrieved again, so I copy it to a notepad to connect to my VM later on. Alternatively, I can use this button to copy it. As always, I can change this password when I log in to my VM. Now let's view the machine. The VM's building process has already started. I can click on Info to see detailed information about my VM. My VM is up and running. I can connect to it remotely by SSH using this address. Or I can use the web console. I only need to enter my password. Voila! The desktop of my brand new Debian VM ready to use.